Hey guys, this is Belinda again with Willow, Birch, and Clover, and I'm going to do a quick video to show you how to finish up this little project from the Junk Journal Signature Scrapbook Kit that I have in my Etsy shop. I'll leave a link down below. We've done the first page, the second page, the third page, and now we're going to work on the very last page. And just to remind you what it looks like, this is it, the little booklet goes in here and it has a pocket. Okay, now I've already cut the pieces out and inked around the edges, and I'll be showing you what we use. But the first thing you're going to need is the big pocket that's going to go back here. So I scored along those lines, folding it under, and I inked around these edges. And I'm going to be applying glue. I have a cold. I'm sorry I sound like this. I've been fighting it for a couple of days. Our weather down here in Mississippi goes from 65 degrees to 25 degrees day to day. It's just crazy. All right, let's see. Okay. Get that in frame. And I'm going to apply the pocket onto the page just like this. And I like to stay a little bit off the edge. I don't want to weaken the edge of my paper. And I'm going to burnish along my glue lines to make sure that it catches. Okay, that looks good. And then we're going to work on the little booklet that goes inside. You'll need this piece, and I scored down the middle, folded it in half, and we're going to do some work on the inside. Okay, let's see, I'm going to reference to see exactly what I did. I've got the two little pockets that come on the pages for Kit 4, just like this. Okay, folding those tabs under, and we're going to glue these on the page. Well, I'll tell you what. First, what I want to do is I want to use two of the smaller little whale tail tabs. I lost my word there. And I'm going to put these right here to use as little handles or openers on the page. And I'm going to do that first just in case my pockets need to overlap one of these. Okay. Oops. Okay. Glue everywhere as usual. And then just attach it down. Okay. See, it makes a little pull handle. Now get the other little whale tail. You'll get 4 of these on this sheet, but I'm just going to use 2 like this. Okay. Apply the glue. And then come on the other side. And I'm going to use this one to line up, to just kind of eyeball. And see, I can close it and tell that those are where they need to be the same. See how that works? All right, now the pockets. All right, I'm going to do this pocket on the bottom. Apply my glue. Come right here off the edge. And I'm just eyeballing this, really. That's why I used this office paper, the dots, the grid lines. They make it easy to line things up inside. You don't have to do a lot of measuring, and it still looks great. Okay. And then for this one, I think I'm going to come about right there. Okay. I'm going to apply the glue along the tabs. There. Fold them down. Just like that. Okay. There's that. All right, and then I'm going to put this pocket that goes over here on this side. And I want a little decoration on this, so I went back and got the camera. I think that's in Kit 3. I'm going to put it right there. And because I've been stapling everything, I'm going to go ahead and do that before I fold my tabs down so that I don't, well, so that I can reach it, is what I'm trying to say. All right, now fold my tabs. See how cute that is with the camera on it? That's cute. All right. Let's apply a little glue here and here. Good. And I'm going to line this up with the edge of the page. I just realized I don't have my glasses on my head. That's why I've been struggling. I've got those on now. Okay. I can see. All right, wiggle that down. Move it just a hair. I like it right there. Okay. If you don't burnish, your glue might pop up, so try to burnish it down with something, credit card or something. Okay. Now, these two frames like this are going to become your journaling tags, and you're going to use the little tabs that have the white square for writing on them, okay? To put on those for handles, to pull them out of the pocket, to make them easy to get to. Ooh, that's a lot of glue. My glue's starting to run out. All right. Line that up. Let it extend beyond the edge and close it down on itself. That'll be your handle to go in that little pocket. I think y'all are about to see me make a glue mess. I can see it coming. Okay. I'm so glad there are people out there that can glue and fussy cut professionally. It looks professional. I'm gonna let these dry before I try to use them. Okay? Now, let's decorate the front. I'm going to take this number tab right here, put a little glue. I'm going to put it right here. Okay. And then the two little red stamps I'm going to put here. For decoration. You could staple those if you want to before you put your pockets down. You can just glue them down. Just adds a little color, I think. You know, I like that. Okay. Now you have these three. I don't know why I didn't put photo 1 on this one, on the kit. I didn't type it on there, but it's photo 1 and 2 3s that can go in your pocket. Okay. And there they go. I'm trying to do them all at once, but the easiest way is to do them like that. Okay, and then these will now fit. Hopefully the pockets are dry enough. Let's see if I can slide them in. Yeah. And I like to kind of leave that tab sticking up just a little bit there. And this one goes in also. Should be dry enough to slide in because the bottom one is. There we go. Okay. And there's your tabs in there. This is your little booklet. Easy to assemble. It's got the two little handles on it now. Photo storage, journaling cards. Pretty little decoration. Okay, and that just slides in your pocket. And just like that, page 4 is done. Very simple, very easy. The entire kit has been. I hope you can see that from the assembly videos. So, I think the next video I do, I'm going to go back and embellish the entire inside of this and show you that, and maybe give you some different ideas for how to do this, some arrangements on the pages that aren't exactly like these, but you could use the same kit to do some other signatures with some different looks, okay? And I hope you've enjoyed this, and if you have any questions about the assembly, please feel free to comment them under the video on the page that you have questions about, and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great evening.